Free of Australia, we are tired. we got 46 minutes on the card. And we got, let's see, at 44 we'll cut it off. But we heading to the West Australian University for the car meets once again. Up, there we go. Up. Little RX-8. We got a Porsche over there. BMWs. We've got to get me a drinks. Let's try. Our man's here again. You can move. Once again, welcome to the channel. We're back in action. It is Sunday the 6th of July, 8:10 a.m. and we heading to the meets. Once again to the meets. And once again, thank you for watching the videos. Hope you have a great day today. I hope you enjoy the video. Here comes a Lambo. Here comes a Lambo. Here comes a Lambo. Here comes a Lambo. Here comes the Lambo. Let's go check out our man and the peeps in the yellow hats. Hey mate, you doing good? Usual. I leave you to it. That man's focused in, he's good. I need a drink ball, that's what I need. Tie me kangaroo down, spot. Tie me kangaroo down. Like I said, again, back to what I was saying. Enjoy the video. Snap, crackle, and pop. Back in action.
How you going, man?
How you going?
You been alright?
Yeah.
Keeping safe?
Yeah.
Yeah, good man.
About
That's the main
yourself?
thing. Yeah, all good, yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking dark and cold. Fucking, it's half past 8. Fucking 3 months ago, it would have been fucking glasses.
Yeah, yeah.
Been here about an hour. It was fucking dark when I first got here.
Yeah.
Well, the black clouds just missed us.
Thank fuck for that.
Let's go over that way. Fucking, so, man, I was getting hammered.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
I've got myself a weather app now.
You got a
I
what?
follow a weather app. I just
Weather
follow the
app.
weather, yeah, like
Oh,
radar,
yeah.
fucking. So we're going somewhere.
Here we got some nice things. Alright, I'll leave you to it.
Everyone was asking on Facebook last night, oh, what time does it start? And the organisers say you start coming from 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. So I've got to get out of bed even earlier. There's fucking 10 cars when I got here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, grab it now while you can, mate.
Are they going in? What, you got like a Facebook or YouTube or anything?
Yeah.
What you got?
Both. Instagram.
What does it
Shots.
say? Oh, is it on YouTube as well?
Yeah, no, that's just Facebook, Instagram.
Oh, okay. I'll check it out.
Fuck, you got two, man, wicked.
Yeah. I'll leave you to it. I gotta check the... I'm checking the cars out over here later. I'll see ya. Yeah. I need a drink too, if you heard. Get my drink. Where is this thing? Fuck it. Fuck it. Sorry about the camera shakiness, and especially on the last like videos at night time, it was shaky as fuck. That wasn't my fault. I think it's the camera. Like at night time, it's like you gotta set it up different or some shit. It's like kind of starting to rain.